Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So recently I was out on a pick and there was another antique dealer locally that had purchased this sign back east somewhere. Clearly it's a KNOX gas sign and they were out of Ohio. So when I bought the face, this clearly was up on a pole sign. I'm sure at one time it was double-sided. I got one side of it, which is perfect because we turned it into something you can hang on the wall. For you guys with these big warehouses like we're in here, you know, we get people calling us and they want big signs because they got big walls. This sign is 5 feet tall, 8 foot wide. It's a Lexan sign, which is embossed and corrugated. I thought one of the really, really cool things about it was that it had the rocket ship on it.
Cool!
So if you buy KNOX gas, it'll make your car run like a rocket. When I bought it, it had the sign, which is no cracks, nothing, very, very clean, and it had the correct rim. Then I built the can for the back and I put brand new lights in it. There is 6 4-footers in there, brand new LED lights. And then because KNOX, well, KNOX what? Well, it's KNOX gasoline. So we built this sign, which you will hang under it. Everything has hangers on it, so it's ready to go. You just put it up on the wall and plug it in. This is a super, super nice sign. Once again, it's an Ohio gasoline, as we know, and it is ready to be hung. And the other thing I want to say is I had another one, you can see it also on our site, that after I shot it and I looked at it, I saw how pronounced it looked. Kind of funny because the camera picks up the lights and they're really bright, but when you're standing here looking at it, it really is a nice overall lighting in there. So don't worry about if you're looking at the photographs like, well, it's too bright. It's not like that in person. The sign is ready to go. Super cool sign for the big warehouses. Love the rocket, corrugated. This is all embossed. All this is embossed. We built the gasoline. It's going to look good on your wall. It's going to light up your warehouse. Anyway, for everybody out there, thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate it. You give us nothing but a lot of great comments, and thanks for watching, and we'll keep doing them.
KNOX gas. Guaranteed to make your engine KNOX.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.